Our ETL software, Advanced ETL Processor, can do a lot with Excel files. For example, it can extract data from Excel files, it can modify Excel files, it can create new Excel files, and even it can use Excel templates for generating data, and it can convert very complex Excel files into much more simple format using block transformations. One of requirements which was asked by one of our customers very long time ago is ability to read a single Excel cell value. This can be easily done. Let me show how. Let's create new workflow. Call it read cell value. That appropriate action. We need to say the file name. And should would be potatoes. And cell A1. And we will store it into a cell variable. Let me also add show message action. Then together say that to show the actual value. So ready to run. If for some reason it is not working, probably need to enable the variable. Hold on a sec. Yeah. It enabled. Let's run it again. Nope. Not what we need. Yeah. So it actually value. Sorry. See, we have too many options. Lots of useful options. The last attempt. And this time we have a year. So let's check if it is actually a year. Yeah, it is here. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.